In this video I'm going to be testing the strength of USB flash drives with the aid of a Milwaukee narrow crown stapler. Now these pen drives, flash drives, call them what you will, are duds. They're old ones, they're knackered ones, the ones that aren't working too well, and my wife was throwing them out, but she wanted them destroyed before they were disposed of, and so I piped up and said, yep, I could probably take care of that. So here we are. I am going to be firing 22mm narrow crown staples. 22mm is about 3mm short of an inch. I've arranged the USBs here in the approximate order in which I think they will, well, weakest to strongest. Well, in this oddball one, I'm not sure how I'm going to shoot the cat through the face, we'll see. And I'm going to fire it into that bit of pine. So, yeah, I think that's all the preamble this video needs. Safety glasses on. Right, we'll start off with the Moser Bayer. Sounds like a high-end brand. Look at that, no problem at all. Oh, got a little bit of a twisted up bit there, but not too much trouble for the Milwaukee. What about this no-name looking one? Pretty easy. I'll wind down the, oh yeah, look at that, we were right up high. Put it down a bit lower. Let's do some damage. Memorex next. Oh, look at that. Deformed that nicely. Toshiba 1GB. Any good? Oh, well, the staple got rejected a little bit, but it's cracked the side of the USB there. Next up, I think this is a Sony one. No match at all. Wow, I went straight through big time on that one. Kingston, another high-end brand. Oh, that one didn't make it through. The first one to not go all the way through. Did that time. Now we've got a Data Traveler. Oh, that's also Kingston. Can this one reject a nail or staple? Don't think so. Lexa. I'm gonna go through this, no problem. Look at that. Piece of cake. Now we're getting into some tricky ones. It's not gonna go through that, is it? It'll go through that bit, but definitely gonna have the safety goggles on for the rest of it. This looks like that red one that we did at the beginning, actually. So no problem there. What happens if we do it on here? Am I brave / stupid enough to do it? Let's give it a go. Well, I heard it land somewhere behind me. Did a bit of damage, but it was never going to go through. Which means I don't think it's going to go through these two. This one's got like diamonds or something on it. Look, maybe we'll give this one a go. We'll go from the plastic side through to the metal side. No worries. She's well stuck. Well then, maybe we'll give this one a go. How thick is that? No, that's pretty thick, this diamondy one. Eyes closed. Yep, that went bouncing around the room, as you may have heard. So that one, Diamond brand, I think that's the best quality for strength. And this one here, believe it or not, is a 4GB USB. Let's see what it does. As I thought, not much. Oh, finally, Pussycat face. Can we get one through Pussycat's face? How am I gonna do this? Are you ready, Pussy? Oh, nasty. Yep, she's attached, and it split the metal on the front open. So there you go. If you want a good quality, tough USB flash drive, Diamond brand's the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Pretty tough little stapler, that.